Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, how are you guys? Today we are going to start chapter 6 on percentages, and in this chapter we'll cover all these 5 different concepts. And thank you very much guys for watching and learning here. You guys are amazing and you're the best audience. So let's begin our today's session. So our lesson number 1 is on what is a percentage. So percentage is simply a parts per hundred, or it means out of 100. So whenever we are going to find out a percentage of any particular number, what does it mean? We are talking that particular number with respect to 100, right? So percentage is equal to number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100, right? So when we are talking about fraction, it means this 100 comes at the denominator value. So or a percentage is a special kind of a fraction whose denominator value is 100, right? And the symbol for the percentage is this one, this sign. So 1% is equal to, if you are going to convert it into a fraction, what does it mean? So write 1 here. Per means divide in mathematics, and cent means 100. So 1% means 1 divided by 100, right? Or simply when you're going to write it in its symbol form, so that becomes 1%. Okay, now what is a phenomena that is running at the back end? So this is 1, and now if we have to convert it into the percentage, so the rule we always applied it, simply times it with 100%. So why we always do that? So this is the reason why we always do that. So we can multiply this 1 by 100 and divide it by 100. Why? Because in mathematics we are not allowed to add, subtract, multiply or divide anything on our own side. So if I am going to multiply this number with 100, it means I have to balance this equation. So this is the reason I'm also going to divide it by 100. Why? Because both of these two numbers will be cancelled out and you'll get back to the original value, which is 1, right? So this is the reason I'm going to multiply it by 100 and divide it by 100. So I can write this very thing separately as 100 times 1 over 100, right? So basically I separate this, the 100 value at the denominator, I write it separately, right? So this 1 over 100 is basically your percent. Per means divide and cent means 100, remember? So this is the reason why whenever we are going to convert any number into a percentage, we always times it with 100%. I hope you have got the concept now. So hence converting any number into a percentage, simply multiply that number with 100%. So this is why we are going to multiply it by 100% always. This is the reason behind it, right? Okay, for examples, here are a few examples. Convert 2 into a percentage. So simply multiply 2 with 100%. Convert 3.5 into a percentage. So what we're going to do, simply 3 times 5 times 100%. 4 over 7 into a percentage, simply multiply it with 100%, right? We'll solve few of the examples now. Okay, convert 3 into a percentage. So when we are going to convert this 3 into a percentage, what I'm going to do, simply multiply by 3 with 100%. Now solve it. So value we are getting here is 300, and always put the sign with it, right? Don't forget to put the percentage sign. So this is 300%. So 5% means we have to convert it into a number. What number we are getting at this 5%? So simply this is 5. Per means divide, cent means 100. So this is the value we are getting in the form of fraction. And if we further want to convert it into, okay, let's just simplify. This can be simplified, yes. So 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, and put a 0 here. So 20 times 5 is 100. So this is the value we're getting in the fraction form, or if we want to convert into a percentage. So what I'm going to do over here is put a 0 and a decimal point instead of this 1, and see there are how many digits here, zeros, 2 zeros. So it means there should be 2 values here. So put 5 here and 1 0 here. So if you're going to divide 5 over 100, the value we're getting in the decimal form is 0.05. Or simply you can divide this in order to get this value. You'll get the same value here, which is 0.05. Okay, so here comes to an end of our today's session. Stay blessed, be happy, keep smiling, and thank you once again guys for watching and learning here. Keep learning and stay safe out there. See you after.